Welcome to Forward Steps Vlogs. This section includes past questions and answers from the department test conducted by the Kerala Public Service Commission. If you like this part, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and leave comments. Good luck! Every estimate, whether for an original work or for repairs, should provide for. Answer D. All of the above. The sanctioning or other prescribed departmental authority should communicate every sanction to expenditure on works to the dash in accordance with the procedure laid down for each department. Answer A. Accountant General. If the estimated cost of a section which is abandoned is not less than dash of the total sanctioned cost of a work, it should be treated as amounting to the abandonment of a substantial section of the works. Answer C. 5%. On receipt of a written order directing him to carry out a work for which no estimate has been sanctioned, a government servant should immediately inform the dash that he is starting a work, or is incurring a liability for which there is no provision or no sufficient provisions of funds, and should, at the same time, state approximately the amount of the liability which he is likely to incur by complying with the written order which he has received. Answer C. Accountant General. If an unforeseen emergency work is entrusted to a contractor and it is impossible to enter into a formal agreement with him beforehand, the government servant on the spot who arranges for the work to be started should at least enter into a dash with him. Answer B. Piecework Agreement. In the case of the more important heads of revenue, the actuals of the dash should be compared with those of the corresponding period of each of the past 3 years. Answer B. First 5 months. In the case of both receipts and disbursements, every estimating officer should observe strictly the rules governing classification of transactions in government accounts including dash. Answer C. Both 1 and 2. The chief engineer, being the chief controlling officer in respect of the subhead buildings, is competent to dash provided thereunder. Answer D. All of the above. The 5-tier system of classification has been introduced with effect from dash. Answer A. 1974-75. The dash examines the accounts to satisfy that the grants made by the legislature have been applied to the purposes for which they were intended, and that the expenditure incurred is in accordance with the law, rules and regulations in force, and has not exceeded the limits set by the legislature. Answer B. Accountant General. The procedure to be followed for the payment into and the withdrawal, transfer or disbursement of monies from the consolidated fund and the public account and for the custody of monies standing in that fund and account is regulated by law made by the appropriate legislature and, pending such legislation, by the rules made by the President or Governor of the state, as the case may be, under dash of the Constitution. Answer C. Article 283. The transactions of the railways, posts and telegraphs and defense department form part of the dash of India. Answer D. All of the above. The government of dash have not so far entered into agreement with the Reserve Bank of India for the conduct of their general banking business by the bank. Answer A. Jammu and Kashmir. all transactions which cannot be debited or credited directly to the account of the central government with the bank are taken to the account of the dash in which they occur, so that this account will include as well the transactions relating to other states. Answer A. Government of the state. Dash are prepared by each state accountant general as soon as the March final accounts are closed in a form prescribed by the Controller and Auditor General with the approval of the President and submitted to the Controller and Auditor General for approval and transmission to the Governor of the state concerned. Answer B. Finance accounts. Place in the state where there is risk of filariasis. Answer D. All of the above. Individual deposit receipts or guarantees of scheduled banks up to a limit of dash furnished as earnest money deposit of contractors may be accepted without insisting on confirmatory advices from the Reserve Bank of India. Answer A. 25,000 rupees. In connection with the government securities to be deposited as cover for guarantees executed in favor of and deposit receipts, cash certificates, etc., tendered to any government department, the Reserve Bank will obtain from the scheduled banks concerned a letter of authority as per specimen forms attached marked dash. Answer C. Both 1 and 2. If any scheduled bank desires to lodge cash or government securities to cover its guarantee or fixed deposit receipt, etc., with the government department concerned, it may be permitted to do so, the amount of securities being sufficient to cover the full amount of the guarantee or the fixed deposit receipt, etc., with a margin of dash. Answer A. 5% below the market price. If the interest or the other resources are not sufficient to cover the payment of grant of immediate relief to the families of employees who die in harness, the head of department office should draw the amount from the treasury on a simple receipt in form dash. Answer C. TR 42. When any government land with improvements thereon or any building is transferred from one service department to another under the state government, the transfer shall be made. Answer A. Free of charge. The dash may be required by government to prepare pro forma accounts of irrigation navigation, embankment and drainage works and of government residential buildings in accordance with the instructions contained in Chapter 21 of the Central Account Code, Volume 4. Answer C. Accountant General. A register, logbook, in form dash will be maintained by all offices and departments maintaining government-owned motor cars, buses, lorries, jeeps, station wagons, vans and motor boats. Answer D. All of the above. When a government servant is transferred or proceeds on leave or retires, head of office drawing officer should not give the treasury officer or other disbursing officer as early as possible notice of the date up to which rent is payable. Answer A. Incorrect. When rent is recoverable in cash from a tenant who is a government servant, the government servant in charge of the building should send him a bill in a suitable form on or before the last day of each month for the rent due in respect of that month, and the tenant should be required to pay the rent before the expiry of the following month. The article applicable is dash. Answer C. Article 17.